Is pollution making you gain weight?
Hi everyone, welcome to Weight Wash. What is the connection between pollution and obesity? Environmental pollution is emerging as a non traditional obesogenic factor. Now, let's talk about why this is so important for urban Indian cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Kanpur, and Bangalore. Frequently record some of the highest pollution level in the world.
Is pollution making you gain weight?
Hi everyone, welcome to Weight Wash. What is the connection between pollution and obesity? Yes, the air you breathe every single day may be affecting your weight, your hormones, and your metabolism. Let's understand this clearly and scientifically. Over the last few years, multiple scientific studies have confirmed a strong link between pollution and obesity. In 2024, a large meta-analysis and umbrella review showed that exposure to PM 2.5, PM 10, and nitrogen dioxide increases the risk of being overweight and obesity, especially in children and young adults. In fact, for every 10 microgram per cubic meter rise in PM 2.5, obesity risk increases by almost 16%. This means that the people living in polluted cities are more likely to gain weight even if their lifestyle is similar to those living in cleaner environment. Now let's talk about pollution that affects your body. There are 5 major mechanisms. 1. Inflammation. Tiny pollutants enter the lungs, then the bloodstream, and trigger chronic low-grade inflammation. This inflammation makes the body more likely to store fat and less likely to burn. 2. Hormonal disruption. Many pollutants act like endocrine disruptors. They interfere with insulin, thyroid hormones, and fat metabolism. This makes a weight loss harder. 3. Reduce physical activity. On high pollution days, people naturally avoid outdoor activities. Children stop playing outdoors. Adults skip their walks. Over the time, this reduction in movement contributes significantly to the weight gain. 4. Sleep disturbances. Polluted air irritates the airway and affects breathing during sleep. Poor sleep increases cortisol, which leads to more belly fat. Number 5. Early life effects. Children exposed to high pollution early in their life may develop long-term metabolic changes that increases the fat storage called metabolic programming. That means environmental pollution is emerging as a non-traditional obesogenic factor. Now let's talk about why this is so important for urban Indian cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Kanpur, and Bangalore frequently record some of the highest pollution level in the world. Millions of people breathe toxic air every single day. This means their body remains in state of continuous metabolic stress. So even if someone eats right, exercises regularly, and follows a healthy routine, polluted air may still be slowing their progress. This is why awareness is essential. Obesity is not just food and exercise, it is also about the environment that you live in. Now let's focus on the real solution. 1. Check the AQI Delhi. Use apps like Suffer, IQI, Google. See if the quality is safe. Move your exercise indoors. On the high pollution days, walk indoors, climb stairs, do yoga, or follow home workout routines. Use air purifier if possible, especially in the bedroom. Use N95 mask when outdoor. Eat antioxidant rich foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds to reduce oxidative stress. And stay hydrated and sleep at least 7 hours to support your body's repair process. Add indoor plants to improve indoor air quality. These steps won't eliminate pollution, but they will reduce the exposure and protect your metabolism. So now you can understand pollution does not just damage your lungs, it also impacts your weight, hormone, and long-term metabolic health. Small daily precautions can make a big difference. Stay active, stay healthy. Thank you.